Another month, another chance to set goals and be productive, even in quarantine. And welcome back to my channel and another episode of the Wednesday One Take, a weekly series where I come home, or still are home, sit in front of my camera and answer your questions. If this is the first time seeing my face, please make sure it is not the last by clicking that little red subscription button and the bell to be updated for each and every future video. The Wednesday One Take series is brought to you by my new and improved mailing list to stay up to date with everything VIPKID related and collect my monthly freebies. Again, you can sign up in the description box. Down below also is a list of everything I use in my brick and mortar and my online classroom and office, none of which are sponsored. They just make life easier each and every day. Can we just be honest for a second? Quarantine seems to be taking its toll on everyone. Not just me, right? Not just me. It can be easy on some days and really hard on other days, and I have found certain things help me get through those tough days and certain things help on the days I'm already feeling a little bit more motivated. It also is difficult when you are in your house trying to keep working on projects, sharing your space, which has been great. I mean, I could do more videos on that, but I feel like the YouTube space is already saturated with the tolls of quarantine. I don't want to add to it. I just want to keep spreading positivity, especially to our online teaching community, which is why I'm trying to do more of my monthly schedules, my monthly budgeting videos, just things that I think would be interesting, entertaining, I hope, and take you guys just, out of the reality that we are still in a shelter in place at this point in time. In the light that quarantine is taking a little bit of a bigger toll on me, I have decided to change my teaching schedule. And if you see me looking down, I'm just looking at the notes I took so I make sure I don't miss any points. So for the month of May, I've decided that first and foremost, I want to start prioritizing my sleep. And it's not that I'm not making time to sleep, it's just that I am not falling asleep. I will have a nighttime routine. I'll turn things off, put social media and electronics away. I've got like lavender sprays. I got the lights dimmed. Sometimes I'll have like background noise, white noise, whatever, and I just can't sleep. Again, give me a thumbs up if you relate to that. I really hope it's not just me. So in that light, I am not going to teach before 7:30 a.m. When I was doing this on a more full-time basis, I was doing the 5 a.m. to 10, but right now, while I am very thankfully still employed in my other jobs, I've decided that for right now, I'm going to be doing 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. I am still keeping the 9 and 9:30 a.m. slots, Eastern Standard Time, open, but it's a really, really rare shot that I'm gonna book those, so I'm going to just assume 7:30 to 9 is what I'm gonna be keeping right now. I'm not going to be teaching on the weekends, and I'm not going to be teaching on Tuesday. So right now, it's just 3 classes on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So that's 12 classes a week. 12 times 4, 48. My actual goal is to hit 50 classes. Now, I made a note here. There are a few Friday and Saturday nights that Christopher is on call for his job, so I have opened 5 or 6 slots in the evening. For example, May 1st and 2nd, Friday and Saturday night, I opened up 4 slots and 3 have already booked. That gets me 6 slots into my goal of 50 before we even hit a full Monday to Friday week, which is wonderful. But really in the morning, I'm just trying to prioritize my sleep. Big shout out to those people who are teaching on the West Coast. You guys are getting up so early, and it's amazing to see the people that can do that. Right now, while I still can, I'm gonna try to just get a little bit more sleep. Money goals, like I said before, my goal is to hit 50 classes for the month and then take the rest of the month off. So if I hit my 50 classes in the first 12 days of May, I'm taking the rest of that month off. It's mainly A, for my personal health. B, I have done this before where I've taken off long periods of time and students still come back when I reopen. This is contract 5. And C, it might push my students to go take from other people, teachers who are waiting. So while I don't need it and I'd like to prioritize other things in my life, I am going to try to go for 50 classes. And once I hit that 50, I am done. I will just keep doing my hutongs, daily challenges, and emailing my referrals. At this time, I am still helping teachers that want their videos edited and their photos edited. So if you are a new teacher or someone who wants to revamp your profile, email me. Information is down below in the description box with my email address. Let me know what you want in your pictures or your video. I will edit it. It's typically $25. Right now I'm taking pay what you can. And actually for the month of May, I am giving all of my AdSense and extra side hustle money in a donation to the Children's Hunger Alliance. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I went through a day where I was just like, I'm gonna give everything I own to these kids because I miss my kids at school so much. So I've decided this entire month of May, that was a lot, all of my AdSense money and my extra side gig money is going to be donated in a one-time check to the Children's Hunger Alliance. So if you're somebody who wants to give, if you just watch these videos all the way through and it adds up to this AdSense, boom, that is being given to them if they let me. I don't know if they'll let me. I would love to vlog taking my check in or volunteering for a day just to show hey, you guys made this happen. You did this. That is beside the point. Got off on a tangent because I just miss my own kids so much. Quarantine is getting to me. I wrote in my notes here, basically it's a race to 50 classes as fast as possible and then a break. So right now, my new month's goals are again, hit 50 classes, work Monday to Friday, taking Tuesday off, and then taking the rest of the month off after that. I will disclose that even without referrals, hitting 50 classes with my participation bonuses will get me over $520. That is no secret. I don't try to hide my paycheck money from you guys. You know for a fact if you've been here, I do a paycheck review at the end of every month. So if you're watching this on the day it comes out, which should be Wednesday, April 29th, you know what video is coming on Saturday. You know I'm going to be disclosing my April paycheck. So if you're not subscribed, get subscribed. But that is it for this quick episode of the Wednesday One Take. Let me know down below, what are your goals for May? Are they different? Do you want more classes? Do you want less classes? Are you prioritizing something outside of your VIP Kid classroom? There are so many ventures with this company outside of teaching in the classroom. You can help referrals, and I help referrals who aren't even using my code. I would say out of the people I have gotten in under my referral code, they make up maybe 40-50% of the people whose emails I answer, who I make individual videos for, who I help through their demos and mock classes. It's not a strict, are you using my code? Well, you're not by. If anybody here has asked me a question about referring or getting into the company as a prospective teacher, let me know if I helped you down below, whether or not you use my referral code, because I promise you, I have helped many more people than have used my code because it's good knowledge to have, and the fact that we can work from home is awesome. So once again, let me know down below what your goals are, if they've changed. If you like this video, let me know by giving it a huge thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed because once again, my paycheck video is going live this weekend, and the entire month of May is going to be Wednesday videos for the Wednesday One Take, and then Friday, I am finally releasing what I've been working on all month. Friday are going to be videos about me trying to better myself. For example, you're gonna see a video of this girl doing Zumba every day in the month of April. The good, the bad, the ugly, the daily weigh-ins. Another video you're gonna see is the fact that I have tracked all my food intake for a month. I've intermittent fasted every day this month, and right now I am walking 5 miles a day. So I'm basically doing 4 different health challenges, and I've documented all of them. It has been quite a journey. I'm very excited to share it with you. I think I already shared a spoiler the morning I tried on a size 6 dress, and I shared it in my community poll or my community tab, and you guys seem to like that, so please make sure you are subscribed. In those videos, let me know your goals, what you want to change, what you're working towards, and other than that, you guys stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next episode of the Wednesday One Take. Also, if you are an Etsy store owner, this space is for rent. This sounds horrible. This space is for rent. If you would like a free advertisement of your shirt, your swag for VIP Kid, let me know. Email us down.